Hi guys, this is Sherry from RinPac Packaging. Welcome to my channel. You can get some details about customized Mylar bags in my channel and make your Mylar bags more attractive.
We specialize in creating custom cereal boxes made from premium materials to preserve cereal texture and flavor and make your brand memorable. By the way, you can also use these packaging for packing dry flowers, candies and off products. Choose from various shapes, sizes, styles, colors, and patterns to showcase your product uniquely. Our vibrant printing options allow you to display your brand logo and product information prominently. Our environmentally friendly inks and captivating designs guarantee that your cereal will be noticed on store shelves, effortlessly capturing customers' attention. We offer exciting special discounts on bulk orders of custom cereal boxes, ensuring you get the best value for your investment.